Okay, we have a TRAK 3-axis CNC bed mill, model DPM3, serial number 984382, new in 1998. Machine has an AGE3 control. The control computer was upgraded or updated in 2019. The CRT box was updated in 2018. We're going to run it for you. That's the x-axis. The other direction, ball screws and servo motors sound good. That's the y. The y the other direction. The z. So the head goes up and down, again, through the power of the control. But you can also move the quill and it'll change the math. All axes are quiet. You can see there, as he moves the z-axis, it changes the count on the z. We're going to run the spindle. The only thing you hear is the drawbar. It's a very quiet spindle. Forward and reverse. Okay. Great. So you've seen all the axes move. You've seen the head run, and that's basically what we have to show for you. The machine's got a 10 by 50 table, 30 inches of X, 17 of Y. The head up and down is 23.5, and the quill is 5 inches, and it's a 40 taper with a power drawbar. Thank you for watching the video.